welcome back. I have my made to move Barbie here in her hairstylist outfit, and she is back to help me because we have that's upside down, another career outfit. This time it is from the Dollar Tree, and it's actually called Fashion Doll Career Doll Outfit. She is a pilot. I'm going to assume this is a pilot and not a flight attendant. I mean, I suppose it could also be a flight attendant, but based on the little wings here, I'm thinking this is Pilot Barbie. How great would this be if you had, or your kids, whoever had the Barbie airplane? You could have the pilot outfit. And just like this one where I couldn't find a Dollar Tree version of this outfit, I couldn't find the pilot outfit for Barbie without buying the actual pilot doll. So we are not going to have anything to compare it to, but let's just take a look at it. Again, this is $1.50 because it's from Dollar Tree. And it's got a little suitcase and it's got the cutesy little heels. We are using our made to move because of her feet. So they can be in the heel or they can be in the flat position. I am worried about the shoes with this doll simply because if it's not the right heel, her foot goes like this. And I mean, nobody really walks around with their feet like sticking straight up in the air, but let's just get right. I'm sorry, Barbie. Let's just get right into this. This is from Dollar Tree. So in Canada, it's $1.50 and it would be $1.25 in the States. And it is literally just called Fashion Doll Career Outfit. We have not had necessarily good luck with the Dollar Tree outfits, with the exception, once again, of my favorite one, the chef outfit. I love this one more than I actually liked the Barbie version. And that is rare because the can't even get good quality packaging. The quality of the packaging is so bad. Like, look at that. So bad. And the quality of the outfit is not always the best. So that chef one, that one was really good. Here is the, it's all taped in. Ah! It is all taped in there. Oh my gosh. Where's the other shoe? Okay. I'm just going to move all the suitcase is stuck to the packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we got the shoes, the suitcase, and oh my gosh, it actually opens. It actually opens. I think Dollar Tree just won me over on the suitcase that opens. And then we have the outfit. I'm not liking the stitching there. Do you see the stitching? See how loose that is? Dollar Tree. Okay, let's take a closer look at it. I believe that, let me show you, is the wings. It does have the pattern printed on it, but look at the seams. When you compare that to here, the seams were so, I guess they're a little loose there. You know what? I guess it's a good thing I really like this Barbie chef outfit because I keep pulling it out. So it is a dress with the Velcro, which is typical for our Dollar Tree. Let's look at the inside of it. It does have the tag. It is fitted. I don't think this is going to fit Barbies that don't have that waistline. I don't even think it'll fit an older Barbie if you look at the fact that their waistlines are different. Do you know who would look really cute in this? Is Skipper. Look at that. Oh, look at that with her blue hair. Unfortunately, the shoes won't fit her. So let's put it on our made to move Barbie. Just look at the difference in the quality of the dresses. This one is a nice, stretchy. The Velcro goes halfway down. When you line up the Velcros, the Velcro barely touches about here. I do have to say Mattel's fabric choices tend to be better. But let's see. Let's get this one off of our Barbie. The issue with the made to move is how much their limbs just wiggle when you're trying to put outfits on. So here's our dress. I would be really careful. You might want to actually put another seam down the Velcro. Let's get this on our Barbie. I think we're going to need her bendy arms. And here we are having an issue because her wrists are bending. Do you see that? I might not be able to put it on this doll. I can't get her arm. Oh my gosh. Because her wrist moves, I can't get the outfit on her. There we go. Now can we do this arm? Like I said, with the made-to-move Barbies, there are pros and there are cons. There we go. Just had to wiggle her the right way. Let's get the Velcro on. Her hair's in the way. Oh, okay. I don't like it. I don't like this. Look at the shoulder seams. Like the fabric doesn't line up right there. Look at it on this side. Can you see it there? And here, it's really cinching in. I don't like the outfit. I don't like the seams, even on the inside of the arm. I don't like the outfit. I mean, it looked cute in the packaging, but it does not look flattering on our Barbie. Is the best part of this outfit going to be the suitcase? I hope not. All right, let's try the shoes. They are the traditional dollar store shoes. These ones are the heels instead of the white running shoes, which is nice. I don't know. There's a little buckle. I don't know how well they are going to fit on a made-to-move. They don't even fit her. Oh, God, I'm afraid of breaking her ankle. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Let's try the other shoe on this Barbie who doesn't have ankles that move. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. No. This is a bad outfit. I'm going to take it off of this Barbie and we're going to use our pool party Barbie with the straight arms. And let's give it a try here. Maybe it'll fit better on this Barbie. And yes, I am just going to leave the swimsuit on. Maybe our made-to-move Barbie is just way too flexible. You see the shoulder seams right there? How it's almost like their thumb is... Do you see the struggle? It's like their thumb is catching. And you have to kind of line it up. I don't like this outfit. The quality on this one is not there. Let's get it on her. Okay. Maybe it'll fit better on her. Because I don't think it's worth $1.50 just for the suitcase. I don't. All right, let's see. Does it fit better on this one? I mean, not really. Not really, but it does fit a bit better. So I don't know. Maybe it's the moving arms. I don't know. Pilot Barbie. Let's try the shoes. Get them on her feet. Yeah. Made-to-move Barbie's ankles are just too weak. They are a snug fit versus our made-to-move's ankles that are like wiggle wobbling. I don't like the fact that made-to-move has wiggling ankles. Barbies don't need wiggling ankles. But there she is. She looks like almost like the first lady. Oh my gosh, look what happens when she sits. Oh, not a good look. Maybe this would have been better to be two pieces, to be a skirt and a pants. This is not a good look. But can she hold this? Can she hold the suitcase? No, the suitcase is too short. The suitcase is too short. Oh my goodness. Okay. So in order to make this work, you'd have to prop Barbie there. Oh my gosh, it's not going to fit. Like, nope, she can't. So for a photo shoot, you'd have to just have like the doll to the side and have the suitcase to the side. It's not going to fit. The suitcase handle is too short. The shoes are too tight and the outfit is boxy. This is a Dollar Tree. Like, this is a Dollar Tree fail to me. The only thing this set has going for it is the fact that the suitcase opens and closes. But if you look at it, it's not even a strong, like, it's not a strong clasp. You can see the opening. What can we put in it? We can put her little hairbrush. Can we put her hair dryer? Okay. Okay. All right. Could we fit an outfit? Can we fit a piece of clothing? No. No. Okay. Oh, we can. We can. Okay. Let's see. Bear with me. So you could fit pretty good the hair dryer and the brush from the hairstyling set and like one little outfit. This I love. If you think it's worth $1.25 for the little suitcase, I don't. I really don't. The outfit is a fail. The shoes are a fail. Love the suitcase. All right, I guess my Barbie is not ready to be a pilot in the skies right now. You let me know if your Barbie is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next week.